Toaster. This is a toaster. Storage box. This is a storage box. Microwave. We use this for heating food. Oven. We use it always making a food. Plastic bag. Aluminum foil. We use aluminum foil to wrap food. Food wrap. We use food wrap to cover food. Food container. We use a food container to keep food fresh. Lunch box. We use a lunch box to carry and store food. Thermos. We use a thermos to keep drinks hot or cold. Bottle. We use a bottle to carry and store drinks. Jar. We use a jar to store food. Can. We use a can to store food or drinks. Saucer. We use a saucer to hold a cup. Tray. We use a tray to carry food and drinks. Glass. We use a glass to drink water or other beverages. Serving plate. We use a serving plate to serve food. Napkin. We use a napkin to wipe our hands and mouth. Tablecloth. We use a tablecloth to cover the table. Measuring cup. We use a measuring cup to measure liquids. Saucepan. We use a saucepan to cook food. Soup bowl. We use a soup bowl to serve soup. Refrigerator. This is a refrigerator. We use it to store food. Kitchen scissors. We use kitchen scissors to cut vegetables, meat, and herbs. Measuring spoon. We use a measuring spoon to measure small amounts of ingredients.